All right, folks, here we go again with another beautiful, gorgeous 2015 Ford Taurus 3.7 engine, all-wheel drive, flex fuel, black on black from the department. This vehicle was a former Department of Healthcare Services Investigation Unit. Folks, that is correct. Department of Healthcare Services Investigation Department. This vehicle was not a patrol unit, and by the looks of it, she was very well taken care of. Folks, as you can see, the vehicle has been blacked out completely by the department. You can see the windshield has been darkened, tinted. Whoever was assigned to the vehicle, they didn't want to be seen, I guess. All right, you can see that clearly here. I'm not hiding no details. The car looks great, and it is in immaculate running condition, folks. Original black from factory. Vehicle does have some scratches, and it does have 3 door dings, folks. Once again, 3 door dings. Okay, let me see if I catch them. I will go ahead and point them out. Here we go, folks. Let me step back so you can appreciate the vehicle. This is a California unit, so there is no rust on it whatsoever, and it came from the city of Sacramento, California. All right. Folks, let me backtrack over here. There's the first door ding right here. All right, there's one little door ding right there. You can kind of see it. All right, but you know, I counted 3. That's about it. Vehicle does have some scratches, but nothing major to worry about, folks. And if we continue looking here, let me get it at this angle. Let me come over here. You're gonna see that I do have some scratches here. This is what the car came with when I got it. You know, this could not be buffed out, so I'm leaving those alone. Okay. Once again, this is gonna be a 2015 Ford Taurus 3.7 all-wheel drive flex fuel vehicle. This was a Department of Healthcare Services Investigations Unit, not a patrol. No holes on the body whatsoever. Okay, vehicle does come equipped with factory backup sensors. I do have some scratches here on the rear bumper. You can see those right here, folks. All right, again, nothing big or major to worry about. I do apologize for falling behind here, folks, but I gotta look at everything as I'm walking around the vehicle. That way I don't miss a thing for you. I do have another little set of dings right here. All right, they're very small, but they're there. Correction 4 right here. They're little tiny dings, but they are there. It's my job to tell you what I see through the lens, just in case the vehicle is black, so it can hide some details. However, I'm not hiding any. You're seeing the vehicle black and white as it is. Tires are in great shape. They are the 245s 5518s, and that is what the vehicle came with. So thankfully I didn't have to go out and get tires. They look really good. I do have nice clear lights in the front. On the hood, you're gonna see some small little chips, possibly from the road. All right, some little tiny chips, I suspected. All right, nothing major to worry about. And I do have some scuff marks on the front bumper. Road hazard, you know, those little chips here and there. They don't bother me, so I'm leaving those alone. You can see the scuff marks right there, guys. Okay. I do have some scratches here on top of the trunk. Again, they're not big, but folks, I'm trying to do a great job here showing you what I can see. All right, but they're there. You can see them right there. Okay. All right, let's go inside. Let me step it up. I know I'm falling behind, but I got a lot of ground to cover here. Folks, as you can see, I do have a perfect matching interior on this one. Seat belts and buckles are in place. I do have factory carpeting on this vehicle. Once again, this was not a patrol vehicle, so I'm sure it was used by a detective or it was a take-home car for a high-ranking officer in the investigation department. All right, so you do have full carpet. You do have matching floor mats. All 4 matching floor mats are there. All windows do go up and down without a problem. This car looks beautiful. Driver's side seat is in perfect condition. Passenger side seat is in new condition. Vehicle came with the original equipment center console, which is a huge plus for these vehicles because those are hard to get, and when you find them, they are super expensive. Steering wheel does have a nice texture. Everything does work on this vehicle. Honk does work. Lights, dimming, electric retractable pedals right there. Let me clean this out, sorry guys. Electric retractable pedals right there. So if you're a tall guy, you can go ahead and push them down a little further, and you have a little extra leg room. Let me clean this up here. Folks, once again, I do apologize. My voice is kind of hurting right now, but I'm able to function still. I'm not sick, just it went away for drinking cold beverages. Once again, I do have 1 key here, 1 working key fob. All right, let's go ahead and fire her up. Folks, this is one sharp vehicle, let me tell you. And I see these vehicles quite often, but you know, every now and then I get one that I'm really attracted to, and this is one of them. So all pressure lights are off. Vehicle does have 115,000 miles. Once again, 115,000 miles. Everything does work. Stereo does work. YouTube, I do not own the rights to the song. Air conditioner is nice and cold, so everything does work in the vehicle. Vehicle has been completely detailed, so she doesn't need anything whatsoever. All PM services have been done, and let me tell you guys, she is road ready. Oh my goodness, let me step it up. Map lights do work. All right, map lights do work, so they do turn on. Red LED, white LED. Folks, one little surprise that came with the vehicle here. Factory sticker for this vehicle is here. All right, this is something we hardly ever get. So the factory sticker for this vehicle is here. I found it inside the glove box. All right, this is money right here. That's something that we're not used to seeing. Once again, investigation department here, guys. I'm sorry, I'm using my 2 hands here. This is what I found on this vehicle here. Sorry, poor quality video. No bueno today. And the clock is ticking, so I'm sure I'm falling behind. Definitely. Let me clean this up here. Ah, my goodness. All right, guys, here we go. This is the trunk, nice and clean. Let's go ahead and fold this in and pull this up. You got a brand new matching spare tire in place, floor jack, everything is in place for this unit. Super clean trunk, folks. I got 3 minutes left. Oh my goodness, let me hurry up. Honk does work. You guys heard that earlier. Paint is very sharp here on this vehicle. Kind of tough to hold the camera and do everything at the same time. All right, folks, this is the engine. Vehicle has been completely serviced, detailed. She doesn't need any repairs whatsoever, and she is road ready. Starting right to left, I do have brand new air filter. Throttle body will service and clean out. I do have 6 Motorcraft platinum spark plugs, full synthetic 520 oil service and filter. We did service the transmission. We did use Motorcraft LV. Don't use anything else. Make sure you are using Motorcraft LV to service the transmission, also known as PTU. all other fluids were topped off. Coolant was level when it needed to be. Washer fluid was topped off. Brakes are about 80% all around from the department, folks. Let me shut up so you can hear the engine. Cabin filter was replaced also, before I forget, and I do have a brand new Fleet heavy duty battery here that we did install in this vehicle. It didn't have a good battery, so once again this is my job to go through the whole car so that I can set you up for success on another great running looking vehicle. The type of vehicle that you can just get in, turn the key and go. Alright, the only thing you're gonna have to do is literally just take it to your state inspection or DMV. Vehicle does have the police siren still in place behind the grill. Once again, it doesn't work, but it's there. I'm not removing it. What you see is what you're gonna get. Alright, I'm not selling it separately, folks. Please don't ask. It's gonna go with the car. I'm gonna let the new owner decide what they want to do with it. Folks, any questions, please feel free to give me a call, text me, or email me. If you are interested in buying this vehicle, serious inquiries only, please. I'm not here to waste your time. Please do the same for me. That would be very much appreciated. This is the Crown Victoria guy signing off. You guys, I hope you guys had a great weekend. God bless. Thank you for watching and take care.